police ni aye from Bashid o Accra regional my head na body wa police ni aye from Bashid o Accra regional Bashid wo ana ukuta me ni Amankrado case do whatever you have to do now inipa no Ghana ya no ababe wura mu wonkra ha police ni aye from Bashid do what you have to do as a policeman arrest my case no further men kasa bebrebe e wo Bashid ho police ni aye from Bashid or Accra regional I have called you I have spoke with you I'm one who say kwasi ampani na basa bagana ugane yen wabagana ntisa womo man bail no call them womo man sa kwasi ampani ni bail no call them I am on that particular case because of the Jimmy no obabe Jimmy na wiye ntino there is no way I will withdraw that particular case. Time na woni me din ko me da twara me da ka che de say oh case no kra makotwam ma withdraw na na ni age ne ho ye ne de ni nyina ka hunti no ba Ghana because no nim say me twa case ni min time me kan pen wa ha me min time enti wo police ni ya flow Bashid o Accra regional ma frew ma ka kire wo say simi for na sa ba Ghana do whatever you have to do men pese mete say masa ka kire say we gonna come back to US it can't be possible this I arrest my case I don't want to talk too much and who police there you from Bashid ukuta me ni Amankrado case no wom say we nya Amankrado a wom mu bury Amankrado no hey masa call them wom mu bury no call them we are starting the case afresh arrest my case abushia oba bola me pacho bola no so bola no share video no invite why oba bola no so share the video and invite you get to your den Mr. Charles Tuku you are welcome on board. Mr. Charles I want to say as Siampani we say no it is about time I need to finish what I have to finish with them with the law of Ghana men fam ran some appear Aman is not in Ghana. Oh yeah, sure. So ni Ghana. We Ghana come back home. We free more home. You know, I be video say on am kwema oko Natina. A friend is media or Ghana we ni Ghana. We are continuing the case. Until wo sa police ni a wo ye frɛ Bashid. And call for the bury no so what Ghana Mr. Charles. Sa my what Ghana, sa only Ghana. Obi ne belly no. Omo mu belly no. I am on them. I don't care. And the police near for Bashid. Medical flock at us a guy na Ghana. Nipa no Ghana yeno. Number one. Now I was a Kamudini Dean and the particulars the BPA Google Airport. And can immediately go to airport no. He had to be arrested. And now I said, we were too wanted. Because me said the following day, I can't say Amankrado my report. Yet I say, Oko US. So Oko US, yeah. I had a near will be the berry, no. To one more berry Amankrado, they must provide Amankrado immediate on Monday. This coming Monday, I'm going to be dead. Accra regional. This coming Monday, I'm going to be the wolf. Accra regional. And the police near from Bashid, get ready. I've called you. You know what I say? My catcher will say, these people will make see. So there is no way. So what I say, there is no way I will forgive these people because they will continue to Jimmy on the social media. So I need to put them into their praise. Na omonti omo ase no said there is a law in this country concerning kwasiasem na omudi no. Enti no police ni ayefra Bashidu. Wo na Amankrado meni case ni ewo wonsem. You know, say case ni mintwam. Men say no. The mete ya na say Amankrado call back to US. I was expecting the police to do the right thing. Somebody need to go a friend is saying modern information ebe call. Now we see Ghana anytime bia and now everybody wanted because we're Ghana. Independent Ghana. And I was like Kabubon wanted. Minimum left and right. And then me appear me clear. And I was a bit moye. So Bashir, with all due respect, I respect you as a brother. But when it comes to my case here, I am very radical. Very radical on my cases. I don't joke with my case. So with all due respect, do the right thing. Let the law work for everybody, for every individual. Nobody is above the law in this country. And you appear biblical, sabrin commission and commission. So you guys should do whatever you have to do for the law to work in this country. Not all this nonsense that is going on, and stop it once and for all. And I promised myself to bring sanitation in this media. I have promised myself. There are some people me say my dad here, and you will go court. They will answer me one by one of all the inquisitions media so against me. Say me do call na emrani jawo mo fine. Say emrani so no mu dia na emrani ene o madi. That is all. And that is all. It is about time I was a nipa hu police for am wo man mu aye dey tax etua boka no. It is about time I say we hu mo so mfa so. What kind of all this nonsense? Enti police ni aye from Bashidu. Do whatever you have to do concerning me Amankrado case no e da hon. And this other Amankrado adwane caught back to US. Omo beli no. They have to face it or provide Amankrado. It is two things. Either they will face it or provide Amankrado at all costs. Sabu sama kwali se dwane ko US bi. Kotere US wo ko chimi bi mu a sa wo man na wo chimi e woni nyansa no. What tell media no so wo chimi sa na up to now. Oh nyansa bia won ha dwene mu no. We need to teach him sense, and he have to know where the power lies. I am not afraid of anybody. Number two, Amankrado be video so what am kwema or konkuransa. In 1 hour time we be doing kuransa. Fair bit to it. And we be was Sunday eye watchina. Baba be do akran 10 na onim me baba be face e wona na brown partner say Amankrado say wo amfa police for na ama. Mini banana brown partner say ama ya mama chime appear biblical. Na yen kraman mako 77 and no man wo. I said it. Say when to me amfa wo ma say china when to me amfa police for na because I am going to be there live in Khaled. And say when to me amfa police for na meeting me appear biblical. The man who doesn't fear sakate don who doesn't fear dwarfs. So when to me amfa police for mako wankasa wo say one range wo mo do mo bar want to be for ma nkrama 77 and a wo asabema jimi kurasi ni ba abuo fruit se jimi fo wo dwaba te se wo enye wo ba besia mpo ne hu mobo ene wo fa wo e de wo tu kwa aburuchira abuo wa bobra krada enka wo na mhene se nye sister root ena ehu mobo apache ya wono nam ayi radio stations ya oprapra ho epepa radio stations wasi ampagi ni te se wo bayibul sam o fa kora pamu e wo la pass o fa pamu na wo da radio station yard im na wo da wanga sa wo fa wo betan nchen e wo Accra La Paz wo pamu cause near wo ye bayibul sam wasi ampagi ni eduro chiewo e no de wo nka wo asem eduro eche wo eno de wo nka ho asem jimi ni kurase ni te se wo Amankrado abo dwan te se wo Amankrado o dwan ba te se o krama ba te se o Amankrado asiampa ni me se guminu mienu wo ba chia na yam wo Amankrado wo ba che ama yam e wo Ghana ha e bia na dem sa chastuku e kan e yan krese wo dwane come back to US na no mpono wo mo beli wo no wo do ma to asem mi do nyame mi did appear biblical. The man who doesn't fear sakati and don and who doesn't fear traps, you don't know the no. And you be wise. Mi chocho munchu and animi enyano. No bagawaya, no chacha funyanya. Bomba crack. Asiampeni wate. Ujimi wanon fem se eyi. Abuo fuhi wani mini space ya odi ase. Wo kura de wo ya chachempa. Ohwa ye tan. Amankrado ohwa ye tan. Boninti ohwa ye tan. Ohwa ye tan. They say chempa kwa ho ya ye fache. Wasia kwa. Chimpa kora ho ya e facha wo Amankrado chimpa mate Mr. Charles mate a oba be se me twa no me ya kina me fa me ho se teten e kina me pa chopa me mpa bo akwa na ma ye no radio egu no me hu de me ntwisu na me fa me kira mo kwa na mo nkira me de me ntwisu me kuta Louis Vuitton me nu pa ano hye e kina me nse shu e kina me boy pa na mpa chopa kaso yi pa me de ba kira mo sisi Louis Vuitton minye ni paketwa menya kwa siampa ni Jimmy 47 no Amankrado no asiampa ni watika mu aheso wote wabedu Ghana wote abotse hye swata wabedu Ghana sada so hye swata Jimmy atade kwa woni bi hye siapia please calm down Matthew no adomesa me buafu ama asiampa ni wo ye kasa na baka bi Amankrado me baba cham Louis Vuitton kama me Louis Vuitton mienu na egu ya ene kira mi twisu ba ma me fa nkira mo kra abodam kra asiampa ni wo abofo kotra wotra America kra no wa se Louis Vuitton da asiakwa wotra America Louis Vuitton we wa se bi da papa na hedi ni gu eni gu papa we kwa asiampa ni wo jimifuo kra te ni ba te se wo wotra America kra no papa se papa se wa se bi da asia we wo ni bo. Do you know the price of this Louis Vuitton? I see a penny go to America, go bogus with America, also a black man, and Papa come, Papa say, why you be that? Would try about to sell. Papa come and say, Louis Vuitton, Garcia. Then go on, my wife, I say, my fancy, Garcia, go on. My son twice.